Hey everybody, this is Top Crypto Bull here with some breaking news, guys. Looks like the CPI inflation just came out right now, guys, about like 15 minutes ago at 8:30 Eastern time. Looks like the US CPI inflation declines to 2.4% in September versus a 2.3 expected, guys. So it's zero point 0.1 over the expected price, and is it going to be good or bad for Bitcoin? We'll find out right now. Looks like the U.S. Consumer Price Index was forecasted to rise 2.3% year over year in September. The August was 2.5% increase. And this one came in at 2.4, guys. So it came out hotter than expected, guys. And the annual core CPI inflation was expected to come in at 3.3, but it came in at 3.2. So let me double check that real quick. Looks like, yeah, the core CPI inflation was expected at 3.2, but it rises to 3.3%, guys. So it came in a little bit hot too. So let's see what's that doing for Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin has fallen since the news came out. It came out right at 8:30 Eastern time, and the price was right around 61,100, and it's fallen right now to 60,897 as we speak. So yeah, it made a local low just a few minutes ago of 60,686. Yeah, so the local low made a few minutes ago was $60,686, guys, and it's kind of bouncing back up to 60,897. But yeah, it is dropping on the hot CPI data, guys. So yeah, once again, the CPI data came in at 2.4 year over year, and the expectation was at 2.3% year over year. So it was 0.1% hotter, guys. It is lower than the August CPI of 2.5%, but the September data came in at 2.4, but it is 0.1% hotter. So usually when it comes in hotter, crypto and the markets don't like it. So that's why Bitcoin has dropped from 61,150 to 60,900 right now. So yeah, it's gone down about 200 points as right now. It's bounced up, but it did make a local low a few minutes ago of $60,686, guys. So yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. A lot of times, there's a lot of volatility on these days, guys. So if you're trading out there, it's a good time to trade. But if you're not really a good trader, if you've never really traded before, this is not the time to be trading right now, guys, because there's a lot of volatility. We'll probably go down a little bit lower, and then we'll recover, and then it'll probably be volatile for at least a day or two. Let's see what the other cryptocurrencies are doing real quick. I'm going to the crypto bubbles and see what it looks like. I got it at the 5-minute chart. Everything is red. Oh, they're bouncing back up. It was red. Now it's green. So yep, but it's very low. Like they're kind of just going sideways right now. Let's see. Let's refresh it and see what it looks like real quick. Here, let me put it in the hour. Actually, maybe we could get a better look in the hour. Okay, yep. There we go. That's more like it. The hour, because the 5 minutes is like every 5 minutes they went down and up. But yeah, the hourly, because it's already been like almost 20 minutes since the news came out, it'll reflect the price if it's going down or up. But yeah, it looks like the top 100 cryptocurrencies are red since the CPI news came out, and only like 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 are in the green. Actually, XRP, surprisingly, it's up 45% in the last hour. So I guess it's not affecting XRP that much, but that's how XRP is. Usually it doesn't, the news don't really affect it that much. It doesn't, on bullish news, it doesn't really go up that much. And on negative news, on bearish news, it doesn't really go down that much. Let's see, the biggest loser so far is like, we got like Gala 1.2, it's down 1.2% in the last hour. Pepe is actually the biggest loser right now at 1.9% in the last hour. And then we got FTT, the FTX token at negative 1.4% down. We got the NOT coin at 1.6% down. And then the biggest gainers in the last hour is Uniswap at 2.8%. So yeah, and then Leo at 1.9%. We got Hex at 1.1% in the green the last hour, guys. But yeah, everything seems to be going down. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart, see what it looks like. Looks like it's kind of stabilizing, right around 60,886 right now, guys. So yeah, it's kind of stabilizing. But it looks like I mentioned earlier, Bitcoin did make a local bottom of 60,000. Looks like a 60,690. It made it just a few minutes ago. So 60,690 is the local bottom, and it went all the way down from 60,000 like $190. So it went down 60,190 to 60,680. That's about 500 points, $500, guys. So it went down $500 on the news, and right now it bounced back up to 60,902. So it's just kind of stabilizing, guys. So yeah, guys, just bringing you this breaking news again. The CPI came in a little bit hotter than expected. It came in at 2.4, and the 2.4 year over year, and it was expected to come in at 2.3 increase year over year. And the previous month CPI came in at 2.5, so it is lower than the previous month. It came in at 2.4. That's why I don't think the markets are not dropping drastically, but it did come in a little bit hotter than expected. So yeah, 2.3 was expected year over year increase in CPI, but it came in at 2.4, guys. And the core CPI came in at 3.3, also a little bit hotter because the expectations were at 3.2%, 3.2%, guys. So yeah, both the CPI year over year and the core CPI year over year came in 0.1% hotter than expected, guys. So that's why the markets, or at least Bitcoin and crypto, are going down a little bit right now. But at least they're not falling off a cliff. It's not like a drastic drop, guys. So definitely, I don't think it's gonna be that bad, guys, because it was lower than last month. So definitely, it'll probably just go down. We got a lot of support right around like 60,000, even right around 60,059. So if we do drop a little bit more, I think it'll drop down right around to 60,000, maybe touch 59,000, and it'll probably go sideways between 59 and 60,900 for the next day or two. And then I do think it's just gonna be like a little fake out. It's gonna be like a little bear trap, guys. Don't be fooled just because the CPI came in a little bit hot. Don't be fooled. Don't get shaken out of your Bitcoin and your crypto holding, guys, because it is October, and historically speaking, October is very bullish for Bitcoin and the crypto market in general, and so is November and December. So basically, all of quarter four is very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. So don't get shaken out, guys. I do think this is going to be a bear trap, guys. I do expect volatility for today and tomorrow, but I believe by Saturday, by this weekend, it'll probably just go sideways. Usually the crypto market is very has low volume on Saturday and Sunday. So today Thursday and tomorrow Friday, there'll probably a lot of volatility. But once the weekend hits this Saturday and Sunday, it'll probably just stabilize, and then it'll go sideways for a few days. But I think after those few days of going sideways, guys, I do think we're gonna start moving upwards. I think the trend is gonna change, and I do see us breaking up to $64,000 again. And then once we finally break 65,000, then our next target would be right around 70,000, guys. And then once we break over 70,000, our all-time high target is next of 73,000. And then once we break 73,000, then we're basically Bitcoin price discovery, and that's when I think the parabolic bull run will begin, guys. It could happen at any time, guys. Don't get fooled by the CPI data coming in a little bit hotter. I do see the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies happening after the U.S. elections, the U.S. presidential elections, which is in November 5th of 2024. So I do see more sideways action until November 5th, or a few days after that, guys. But once after the elections, maybe like a week afterwards, I do believe we're gonna hit the parabolic bull run, guys. So don't get shaken out. Don't be scared because the CPI data came in a little bit hotter than expected. If you're a trader, well then it's a good time to trade because we're probably gonna dip down like to 60,000 or 59K. So if you know how to short the market, it would be a good time to short it. But don't short it too much because I do believe it'll probably just sweep 59,000 and it'll bounce back up again, and then we'll just go sideways until we start trending upwards again, guys. Yeah, guys. So just wanted to bring you this quick news on the CPI, guys. Again, in case you're just joining the stream right now, or in case you missed it earlier, the CPI came in at the CPI year over year. Came in a little bit hot. It came in at 2.4 year over year, and it was expected to come in at 2.3%, but it came in at 2.4 CPI data for September, guys. And the core CPI, guys, came in at 3.3%, also 0.1% hotter than expected. The core CPI was expected to come in at 3.2. Yeah, guys. Well, just be careful out there in the markets. If you're trading, good luck to you guys. And also, guys, expect volatility for today and tomorrow, and it should settle down by Saturday and Sunday, guys. That's usually what happens after the CPI reading. It goes, very volatile for 2 days, and then it settles down, and then it will probably just go sideways, for a few days after that. All right, guys, just wanted to bring you guys this breaking news. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.